Let's go.
All right, all the robots are off in the autonomous mode. All the shots going in for blue. Red hitting just a little bit low. Blue has the lead early in this autonomous mode.
Red's trying to make something happen. They're able to shoot wide, unable to find the target with one of their robots. The other robot able to get a bonus ball in. That might be enough to get them the autonomous bonus.
Remember, in these finals, every single shot matters. We've seen matches come down to 1 point. We've seen matches between 2 points. Every shot matters. That shot might be the difference in this match.
These matches could be within a ball, and that would be it. We are waiting the last 5 seconds of this autonomous. Red trying to see what happens, trying to use that time to intake.
All right, autonomous goes to red. We're going to start tally up in 3, 2, 1, go.
And tally out begins 1 minute 15 seconds. Both red robots bringing into action. Both blue robots bringing into action.
Yep, VCAT 2 going in there looking to shoot full court. They've already got 4 balls, though. They are looking to shoot up. It goes, and they're off.
What a barrage of
goodness.
balls. Oh, my Lord. Red firing right back, getting all those bonus balls.
These guys are proving why they are some of the top 2 teams in the world. THH1 ranking number 1. VCAT 2 ranking number 3.
This is the Design Division Finals Match 1. Anyone's game. These nets are stuffed.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to hear which team you're rooting for. I want to hear if you're rooting for VCAT 2. I want to hear if you're rooting for THH1 as we approach 30 seconds left in the match.
We got to get some energy from the crowd. This Mexican team is pumping balls in, firing shots like laser beams. They're going for it. They're shooting really far. The Blue Alliance firing back. This is nothing but a barrage.
Guys, we have 10 seconds left. This ain't any other match. This is the finals. Let them hear it. 5 seconds left.
We got a lift. We're going for another lift. Last second lift. We are up. Both robots are up and the goals are stuffed. That is this match. We're going to go to finals 2-2 after.